Yeah, but I wish I'd gotten a clearer thing of it. Now I'm trying to tape the deers from far away with my camera. Okay, so flip camera, not so great because it doesn't zoom in good enough. It doesn't zoom out very good. Oh, it hears me talking. Hello, little baby deer. What are you doing? You're so cute. I wonder if this is showing up. I can see. Gosh darn it. If the camera can't see as good as my plain naked eye, then the camera sucks. Come over here. I'm talking on the phone with you while making this. Oh, there goes the other one. Why are there so many trees? Oh, they're going up on the hill, up on the hill. And there's too many goddamn trees. Oh, it's all three of them. I wonder if I can get that. Hello, Mama, with baby deers. I have no idea if this is going on the camera. Are they going to jump the fence? They jumped the fence. Oh, there's a hole. There's a big old goddamn hole in the fence. Retarded. Huh. Yeah, well. I don't know. I don't know if it could catch the deers or not, the coyotes. Oh, I have no idea if I'm getting this on tape. I'll have to do it on the computer and see. Did you hear how retarded I sound on that video? What? I'm like, oh my god, like, it's totally eating it. And oh my god, it's disgusting. And I sound like a valley girl. It's like chowing down. Oh my god. Oh dear. First it's a coyote, now it's a deer. I have no life. Oh, I'm supposed to be working, not. I just have to get a better shot. Anyway, like there's no rabbits in the yard today. I didn't see any. And usually in the morning, you've seen, in the morning there's been like 10 eating all my plants. Not anymore. There's no ground squirrel. Let's see. Oh, I hope, no, I don't know. The other day I saw it eating that squirrel. I have that one on video too, you saw. I should put that one up, because it's the same coyote. But, I think that was a ground squirrel. It wasn't the tree one. Well, you know, if the deers are here right now at this exact moment, the coyote can't be around.